Hello ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, this is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about a very interesting transit in solar system. Sun is going to change its sign from 14th March 2021 to next 30 days. Sun is a royal planet of solar system. Sun is a king of solar system. Sun is a Atma Karak planet of solar system. Sun always represent your respect, your social circle, your respect, your relationship with your father or grandfather, your tie up with your family. Sun is all about your success. If you have a strong sun, exalted sun in your birth chart, believe me, you will rise a lot. If you have a sun in Aries sign or Leo sign, you will be a rock star. You will become a roller coaster because sun play a big role in astrology. If sun is hemmed between Rahu Ketu in your birth chart, in your natal chart, a person always live a struggling life. Relationship with family will destroy. Relationship with marital life is not very promising because you never get respect if sun is weak in your birth chart. So sun play is very big role in astrology. Now today I am going to talk about sun transit in Pisces sign from 14th March 2021 to next 30 days. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign, nothing to do with your zodiac sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will definitely get some information about your ascendants. So let's start for Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants, your fifth lord. Being your fifth lord, sun started transit in your 12th house. 12th house, sun is in Pisces sign in your birth chart. Some unexpected expenditures will create some problem. You will be a part of any litigation. You will be a part of any problem. Try to use good word and respectful words in front of everyone. That may be your friend circle, that may be from your family. The more you give respect during sun transit in your 12th house, the more you get benefit results. Otherwise, problems, you will be a part of any problems, any delays, any your circumstances are not very promising because sun transit in 12th house. There's no doubt in Kalpurash chart, this is Jupiter house and sun feel comfortable. But as per your ascendants, sun is in 12th house. Fifth lord is in 12th house. Fifth lord, is 8th from 5th house. So this is not a good combination. So need to be careful while investing your money. This is not a right time. You may get a lot of opportunities, but try to avoid these opportunities. Keep all these things in your mind and wait for the right moment. This 30 days is not very promising for you because some unexpected, expenditures will irritate you. You may lose your money. If you are investing your money in stock market, you are not going to give fruitful results. You may bear some losses. You need to be careful. You need to be careful while making any commitment or any promises with anyone. Because from 14th March 2021 to next 30 days will be a very crucial for you. You need to be careful, you need to be alert. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants, sun transit in your 11th house from 14th March to next 30 days. This period will bring a lot of happiness for you. You may buy a new vehicle, you may buy a new property, you may invest your money somewhere and you will get very fantastic results. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. If you are unemployed, you may get job. There is a strong chances your old dreams and desires will be fulfilled during these 30 days. Because sun transit in your 11th house. 11th house is a house of gains, fulfillment of wishes and desires, and you will be blessed with a lot of success. If you have a good sun in your birth chart, if you have a good placement of your sun in your birth chart, you will definitely become a very successful person during these 30 days. If you have a good Mahadasha or Antardasha in your natal chart, or you have a strong natal chart sun, or you have a strong planets in your birth chart, you will definitely rock star in these 30 days and you may invest your money in stock market. You will get fantastic results. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendant, sun transit in your 10th house. Unemployed people may get job. Your hard work will convert in sweet success. You will definitely, your source of earning will develop and you will enjoy very good gains. Some unexpected monetary gains will make you happy and you will get some respect in your social circle. Relationship with your father, relationship with your grandfather will be ultimate. Even you must take some blessings from your father's side every day morning before start your working time. You will definitely get lot of good results. The more you give respect to your father, the more you get fantastic results. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants, Sun transit in your 9th house from 14th March 2021 to next 30 days. These 30 days will be excellent for you, Cancer. Your savings will rise, your source of earning will develop, and you will enjoy all-round success. 9th house is a Trikona Bhav, and Sun is very comfortable in 9th house. You just need to perform your best. You will become very spiritual. You may go for some short distance journey, and if you are a businessman, if you are any type of importer exporter, you may get any good deal from foreign land. Some unexpected monetary gains will make you happy. Sun transit in your Navam Bhav, in your 9th house, will give you a lot of good fortune because Sun is very comfortable in 9th house. You may meet some new people in your life. They may give you very good advice, and if you apply that advice in your personal life, you will definitely rise a lot. Cancer, you just need to perform your best because these 30 days will be a biggest game changer. If you are unemployed, you may get job. If you don't have any source of earning, your source of earning will develop. Now I'm going to talk about Leo ascendants. Leo ascendants, Sun transit in your 8th house in Pisces sign. Your ascendant lord is in 8th house. Those native who are spiritual guru, those native who are yoga teacher or any type of researcher, scholars, they will blessed with a lot of success. If you are astrologer, if you are a cult guru, if you are believe in tantra mantra, tantra mantra, riddhi siddhi, you will definitely get a lot of knowledge these 30 days. 14th March 2021 to next 30 days. Some long distance journeys will make you happy. Some unexpected gains are there. You will enjoy a lot of benefits. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. There is no doubt. Through journeys, you will enjoy a lot of monetary gains. If you are not going anywhere, then these 30 days is not very promising in the terms of money because your ascendant lord transit in your 8th house. Only those native will get blessed during these 30 days who is deal with any type of occult science or any type of yoga teachers or any type of spiritual guru. They will bless with a lot of gains and a lot of knowledge. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendant, Sun transit in your 7th house. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Don't show your stubborn nature. Don't show your egoistic nature in front of your life partner. Be in a good relationship with your spouse. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem and you will face a lot of troubles. Mentally, stress is there. If you are not going to give respect to your spouse, you will be a part of any problem. Virgo, but your source of earning will develop. You will enjoy very good gains. Your old investment will give you fruitful results. These 30 days, your source of earning will develop and you will get a lot of new business opportunities, which is linked with your professional life. You will enjoy all-round success. You will enjoy a very good time at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance and you are trying to deliver your best at your workplace. Now I am going to talk about Libra ascendant, Sun transit in your 6th house. You may take some loan from government side because without loan you can't survive. Leo, these 30 days from 14th March to 2021 to next 30 days, you need to be careful while overspending. Don't overspend your money. But you will definitely get loan from government side and you will blessed with small gains at your workplace. If you are importer exporter, if you are doing any type of traveling related business, you will definitely get blessed with a lot of success. Otherwise, this whole time will brings a lot of up and down. You're not happy, you're not stable. These 30 days will be a struggling for you. As per your expectations, you are not feeling comfortable. Libra, you need to be careful while driving. You need to be careful while eating. Don't eat oily food or junk food or market food in next 30 days from 14th March. Be in a polite talks with everyone. Try to give respect to everyone. This time will create a lot of up and down in your life because Sun is in your 6th house. Your 11th lord is in your 6th house. But if you are unemployed, if you are trying to do your best to finding a job, you may get job in this 30 days. But you are not getting anything as per your expectations. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendants, Sun transit in your 5th house from 14th March 2021 to next 30 days. You will blessed with a lot of work. You will blessed with a lot of monetary gains. Some unexpected money will make you happy. You will enjoy a lot of success. A lot of good gains are there. And if you are investing your money in stock market, you will be blessed with a lot of success. Your creativity creates some magic because Sun transit in your 5th house. You will feel much relaxed and comfortable. And Sun 7th aspect is in your 11th house. You will get a lot of good business through your social circle or through your friends. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. Sagittarius, your 9th lord transit in your 4th house. You need to be careful while talking with your mother. You need to be careful while signing any document. You need to be careful. Relationship with your mother will be affected, or health of your mother will be a matter of concern. These 30 days you need to be careful and alert while talking with your mother, or you need to be careful about your mother health. Don't ignore any negative symptoms related to your mother health. You should take blessings from your mother's side. Some hidden gains are there. In these 30 days, you will enjoy comforts, you will enjoy a lot of relaxation of mind. There is no doubt you will spend very good time with your family. There is no doubt. But if you have a good sun in your natal chart, you will be blessed with a lot of success. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendant, Sun transit in your 3rd house. You will achieve some big milestones due to your strong willpower, courage and confidence. 3rd house Sun transit is one of the ultimate placement, and you will enjoy a lot of gains through communications. You will enjoy a lot of benefits through phone calls. You will get a lot of benefits through short distance journeys. Your neighbors will give you very good advice. Your friends will give you very good advice. Your short distance journeys will make you happy. But you need to be careful while talking with your spouse. This whole time brings a lot of problems due to your stubborn nature, due to your egoistic nature. You may out of game in your personal relationship. You may lost your any near or dear due to your egoistic behavior. Don't show your attitude or ego in front of anyone. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. Aquarius ascendants, Sun transit in your 2nd house. You will bless with a lot of money. You will bless with a lot of gains. You will bless with the unexpected monetary gains. But you need to be careful about your spouse health. Your spouse health will be a matter of concern, and you will save a lot of money. There is no doubt. You will get success. You will achieve a lot of goals. Your savings will rise. But after great struggle, after great hard work, you will achieve some small milestone. This whole times will brings a lot of up and down. You are not happy the way you earn money. You are not happy the way you live your life, because some unsatisfaction are seen in dynamics, because Jupiter Saturn transit in your 12th house, which is not very promising transit for you, and your ascendant lord is in 12th house. This is not very productive period for you. So now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendant, Sun transit in your 1st house. Due to your ego, due to your stubborn nature, you will create some problem at your workplace, at your family. Otherwise, Sun will give you fantastic results in 1st house. You will get name, fame, prosperity, but don't show your ego attitude in front of anyone. Must touch feet of your father every day morning. The more you give respect to your father, the more you get fantastic results. Sun transit in your 1st house, you will be blessed with a lot of business opportunities. If you have any health issue, your health issue will resolve. You will enjoy a lot of comfort, peace of mind, success. But you need to perform your best, Pisces. The more you put effort at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. I'm praying for a happy life. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.